Friends. So today in this video we are going to discuss a very important some quizzes of the topic risk management. Right. So risk management we know. So first question is net interest income is dash. First option A is interest earned on advances, interest earned on investments, total interest earned on advances and investment. Difference between interest earned and interest paid. So we know that net interest is the difference between the interest earned and interest paid. So option D is the right answer, right? So next one is interest rate risk is a which type of risk? Question number 2, interest rate risk is a which type of risk? Option A is credit risk, option B is market risk, operational risk, or all of the above. Answer is B, that is market risk, because interest rate is related to the market. Sometimes with respect to the market the interest will be down, so it's a market risk. Next one is European option can be European option. Question number 3, European option can be exercised on any day at the option of the buyer on or before the expiry of the options. True or false? So as we know, European options can be exercised only on expiry day. Only on expiry day. Before that or in between, it cannot be exercised. So the option is false. That is B. So what is the correct answer for this? Another option is American option. American option can be exercised between the purchase date to expiry date. So here if we are putting American option, then this is the perfect fit, right? So next question है हमारा, if volatility per annum is 25%. This is very important question. Every time it's asked in the exam. Volatility per annum is 25%. The number of trading days per annum is 25 days. Find the volatility per day. So volatility per annum का जो फॉर्मूला है वो हमें पता है, दैट इज volatility per day multiply with square root of number of trading days. सो रिमेंबर दिस फार्मूला. सो इस फार्मूला के हिसाब से हम अगर कैलकुलेट करें तो वोलाटिलिटी पर डे हमारा आएगा वोलाटिलिटी पर आनम डिवाइडेड बाय रूट ओवर ऑफ नंबर ऑफ डेज trading days. So this is the formula. So here volatility per annum how much? 25. Here volatility per annum is 25 divided by 252 का रूट ओवर 252 का रूट ओवर 25 divided by 12.7 अप्रोक्सीमेटली आएगा. सो आंसर विल बी 1.9, that is also approximately 1.58. So option number A is the right answer. So remember this formula, that it is volatility of annum equal to volatility of day multiplied with number of days trading. So this is the formula, right? If volatility of day is given, number of trading day given, we can multiply it and we will get the volatility per annum. And if the volatility per annum given, like in this question, and the volatility and number of days of tradings are given, then we can easily calculate this volatility of per day by dividing this. So next question is the June 99 Basel Committee on Banking Supervision issued proposals for reforms of its 1988 Capital Accords, the Basel II proposals, right? These proposals contain mainly settlement risk management, capital requirements, supervisory review, the handling, कुछ कुछ था जो Basel II में ऐड हुआ है, राइट? और वो क्या था, ये जो ऑप्शन में देख सकते हैं कि सेटलमेंट रिस्क मैनेजमेंट, capital requirement, supervisory review, the handling of hedge funds, contingency plans, market discipline. So these are the points. So out of these, which are Basel II proposal content? So here the options are like this. One, 3 VI, 2 IVV, IVV, but the correct answer is this one, 2 3 IVI. We'll go through this. So as per the Basel II, which are the rights? Capital requirement, one part, supervisory review is another part, and next one is market discipline. So 2 3I and VI is the right answer. So this is the quiz which is for the risk management. So like this, we'll discuss some more quizzes regarding the BFM and in other subjects also. So with respect to the exams, we are discussing the questions which are mainly important for the exams. So till that point, subscribe अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए, so keep subscribe the channel and click the bell icon so that whenever we will upload a new video, we will get the early notifications. As exams are just something like 15 days or 20 days after, so we will focus on more and more with respect to the passing. How can we help you to pass the exams? At least 45 to 50 marks. We have already shared the some strategies how to importance some important topics, and not to, because if you cover the Macmillan book, it's completely big one, but for the to pass the exams within short period of time, we need to select some topics. हमें कुछ टॉपिक को सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. So we have already discussed, and we have already uploading some more videos. So till that point, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching our videos. Thank you.